Hi everyone, this is Jonathan Lord from IMT, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Huddly image control app to better tune your webcam video for whiteboarding. Once you're in Zoom, either press the Windows key on your keyboard or click in the search bar and search for HUDDLY. This will bring up the Huddly app. It'll go through a short startup sequence, and then eventually detect your camera and let you start controlling it. The first thing you want to do is frame up what part of the whiteboard you'd like to focus on by sliding the zoom fader to the appropriate setting and then clicking and dragging the blue box to adjust exactly which part of the whiteboard you'd like to see. You can also use the arrow keys for more precise adjustments. Once you have the part of the whiteboard framed that you'd like to see, click on the gear in the upper left and click on Show Image Controls. This gives you two more sliders, the first of which is brightness. Sliding this to the left will darken the image and counteract some of the glare and other washed out writing that often happens when filming a whiteboard. You also have a color slider, which can adjust the amount of color and turn your image to black and white if you need to. I hope this video helped you in your preparation for the upcoming semester. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the IMT Support Center at 626-815-5050 by emailing us at support@apu.edu or looking us up on the web at support.apu.edu.